Upon arrival to this call, I opened up the panels, get to the board blinks 2, means pressure switch is not closing. So now we have to figure out why the pressure switch is not closing. Is the inducer motor operating, or is it not operating, so it's not closing the pressure switch? Is the board not sending 240 volts to it? This purple wire and the red wire sends 240 volts to the inducer motor. With my alligator clamps, I'm going to go ahead and unplug the purple wire and the red wire, and I'm going to clamp those two terminals to see if it sends 240 volts. I'm just going to reset the system by unplugging this little connector here and plugging it back in. System is now calling for heat. Board is not sending 240 volts, and it tripped the board again, 2 blinks. I'm going to bypass the board and send 240 volts to the inducer motor. Turn off the power. Now I'm going to connect the 2 leads, one to L1 and one to L2 on the line side of the contactor. Inducer starts up. System fired up. So we got a bad board not sending 240 volts to inducer motor.